Hello students, good afternoon. I hope all of you are fine. Today we will discuss our English 2 in a place of English 1 lecture. Why? Because we have completed our English 1 syllabus, okay. And our English 2 syllabus is pending, so we will finish first that one and then we will start our English revision, okay. If time is there, then we will do revision. So today we will discuss our unit 13 and 14. Okay, which we will do 13 and 14. So in that, what is the first unit 13? That is the present continuous tense. And previously we have seen a simple present tense, is, am, are, was, were, regular, irregular verbs, right? All of these things we have seen. So today we will see present continuous tense. So what does this mean? So if you have seen present tense, simple present tense, you know that is in time, in the present moment that thing is happened. So that we will show in a present continuous, simple present tense, or you can say the things which you do regularly, that you will show in a simple present tense, right? So what is this present continuous tense? So present continuous tense means that thing will be happening in a present moment, but it will be continuing. That you will show in a present continuous tense. Like I am teaching, I am doing teaching you, right? I am teaching you presently, so that is happening in a present and it is going on, teaching is going on, so that we will show in a present continuous tense. Okay, understood? So let's see first line. Sentence that talk about actions happening at the time of speaking are said to be in a present continuous tense. Like we are talking, right? You are listening and I am talking. So at that moment, whatever the action or happening, whatever action is happening, that we will write in a present continuous tense. Like we use is, am, or are and ing verb for the verb in the present continuous tense. So how we can create the verb in the present continuous tense? So creating a verb, that is a is, then we will write am and are. Any of one plus verb with ing form. So that is the formation of our, this how we will format, create our verb here. Okay, while writing this one, particularly this one only I am talking about, okay, particularly present continuous tense. So in that case, is, am, are depends on a subject, whether it is a singular or plural, or we are talking about ourselves. If I am talking about myself, so I will say I am. If he or she is there, then we will use is, and if we or they is there, that time we will use are. And plus, after that, plus means after that we will write our verb is there, that we have seen what verb is showing the action. So that verb we will write with ing. With what we will write? We will write with ing. ing. Okay. So you can read the sentence. Atul is cleaning the room now. So what Atul is doing now? Cleaning his room. While we are talking, Atul is cleaning his room. So first we wrote is, from here is, am, are, and we wrote verb with ing. So verb with ing, that is a clean is the verb, and verb with ing, that is a cleaning. Similarly, I am sitting on bench in the park. You can see she is sitting. Radhika and Tulsi are playing in the garden. Understood? It was It is very easy. Only we need to remember that this format is MR plus verb with ing that creates the present continuous tense. That's it. Nothing further we need to think about it. Okay. There are few points which we need to remember. We use am with I. We use is with he, she or it. Whenever he, she, it is there, we should use is only. Whenever I is there, we will use am only. And whenever we, you, they is there, we will use are. So where to use is, where to use I am, and where we should use are. That is explained here. Then only we need to remember that is verb with ing. Understood? You are fine with that? So let's discuss the exercise. Okay, this is the only point we need to remember. So here you see, pick the correct answer. One has been done. So first one is done. I have wrote all the answer, but we will discuss one by one. Renew blank space now. So working. So all the verbs with ing is there. So Renu is there. So Renu will be she, right? So whenever singular noun or Renu is he, she, or it is there, what we will use is. So Renu is working now. So this one is the correct answer. Okay. You can see second one. The children blank space with joy. The children, that is a plural. So whenever plural is there, what we will use are. So are jumping, verb with ing, are jumping. That is the answer. Shalini blank space a Harry Potter book now. So book, it is a reading, right? Shalini, that is a singular now, right? One person name. Or you can say she. Pronouns of Shalini will be she. So whenever that is there, we will use is. So is reading, verb with ing. I. Whenever I is there, we will use am. So what you see here, am, this is only is there. And listening, verb with ing also is there. To music now. So this is the correct one. This is the correct one. And this is also correct one, right? You see fifth one, that he blank space to the market now. So he, whenever he is there, we will use is. Is, then verb with ing going. So this is the answer to market now. We, whenever we is there, we will use are. Traveling, verb with ing. You can see verb with ing is written here. Ing in the last. To Chandigarh now. So it is very easy exercise. What we need to do here, that is we need to write is, am, and are, right? Plus our verb with I, N, and G. So don't get confused. I have not wrote properly because I am not able to do that thing. So, but you understood, I hope. Okay, what to do? So this way we just need to tick mark. So let's see further exercise. Fill in the blanks with a verb. If verb is given and what you will write, that we'll see. So you see in this exercise, what we need to do, that Karthik is and his friend are at the National Zoological Park in New Delhi. Okay, like you might have visited our Jagatnaka Zoological Park, right? So similarly, Karthik and his friend are there. Okay, as well as some animal. They are what, find out what they, as well as some animal are doing at the zoo by filling the blanks. So we need to fill in the blanks and we need to find out what are the animals are doing. One has been done for you. Karthik and his friends. So that is a plural. We will use are only, right? That we understood. So Karthik and his friends. So more than one person are there. So we will use are. And wait is the verb. So verb with ing will be wait and ing, waiting. This we have seen how to do, right? How to write verb with ing, that we have seen. To see her lion roar. Correct? Further you will see, meanwhile the lioness. Meanwhile, the lioness blank space cuddle her cubs. Cuddle. So lioness is there, that is a singular. So we will write is. Then cuddle in a plural, cuddl. We will remove e and we will write ing. Cuddling. Her cubs. Okay. You can see third one, a few elephants. So elephants, s is there. So that means it is a plural. So more than one animal is there. Sorry, more than one elephant is there. So we will write are. Then bath is there. So plural form, with verb with ing, that we will remove e and we will write ing. So bathing in the pond. See, it is very easy exercise. What we need to do here, that is, we need to write is mr plus verb with ing. Okay, that only we need to do. You can see a turkey. Turkey is a single, so is. Search. Search with ing, that is searching. Is searching for grains to eat. Some antelopes. So here it is a plural, antelopes, right? So we will write are. Some antelopes. Bask, plural with verb with ing, that is basking in the sun. And the great Indian hornbill. So this is a singular hornbill. So is and peck. Here I might have wrote other words. So let me check. Yeah, here by unfortunately I wrote eating. It has to be packing. Okay, this is the correct answer. Unfortunately I wrote eating. Okay, so this word is packing, verb with ing. Okay, so at the bark of tree, that is not at all difficult. What we did here, we write is, are, is according to our subject, right? Whether it is singular, plural, I is there, or he, she, it is there. According to that, we will write is mr, and then we will write verb with ing, verb with ing, verb with ing. That's only the task here. See, it is very easy to create a present continuous tense. Okay, shall we see further exercise? Yes, let's go for it. Okay, so here in exercise C, look at the picture. What are the people doing? So what you can see in the pictures, what are the people are doing? That these two are eating, right? This one is reading, they are playing, they are also doing some work like flying the balloons and other things. They are playing football, right? Her mother is helping her with a helmet, right, for bicycle. Here these children are doing waving, right, waving this flag. So here look at the picture, what are the people doing? So we understood already what are the people are doing. I already explained. Complete the sentences in a present continuous tense using verb from the box. So after this image, you can, I'll show you the exercise. So in that, filling the blanks will be there. So we need to complete all these sentences with what? With present continuous tense. And what we should do? We should use these box verbs to complete the fill in the blanks. Nothing else we need to do. Okay. So let's see what are the exercise. Okay. First one. Anshula's mother. So mother is there. So that means this one. Blank space, her to always wear a helmet while riding a bicycle. So Anshula's mother. That means she. So we will write is, and tell. We will use tell is the verb from the our box. So is telling her to always wear the helmet while riding a bicycle. Okay. Then some boys. So here some boys are there, right? So what they are doing? Football. Football, that means playing. So play verb we will use, right? From the here we will use play verb. Eat, tell we have used. Play is the verb we will use then. So what we will write here? That some boys. So that is a plural. So we have wrote are. And play verb with ing, that is play plus ing. So playing football. Right. So it is very easy. Similarly, you see third one. The players of one team. The players of one team. What they are doing? Red jersey. Jersey, what you can do with jersey? You can wear that jersey, right? So players, that is a plural. So we have wrote are, and they have wearing red jersey. Verb with ing. So are wearing red jersey. Similarly, you see fourth one. Some children flags to cheer their arms, cheer their teams. So what you can do with the flag? So you can wave that, right? So children is a plural. So we have wrote are, and wave verb with ing, that is are waving flag to cheer their teams. A girl, blank space on bench and reading a book, right? I have shown that image also. So sit, you can sit on the bench, so that is the proper word we will select. So a girl, that is the single, so we will write is, and sit with a verb with ing, that is a sitting on a bench and reading a book. And tushar, blank space, a sandwich, so sandwich you can eat, so eat is there. Tushar, that is a, what it is, that is the single, right? Single person, so we'll write is, and eat verb with ing, that is eating. So Tushar is eating a sandwich, that is the correct answer, right? So this way we have finished our all the exercise. What we have done, we in all exercise, the only thing we have done, that verb is mr plus our verb with ing, that only we have done. That is the our, what it is, that is the our present continuous tense. Okay, so let's see further our unit 14, that is simple past tense. What is a simple past tense? So the things that happen in past, like in a time, in a particular time, that thing happened in the past, like you had a lunch, right? So in the past you already had yesterday that lunch, right? So we are talking about that thing which already happened. That time we will use simple past tense to show that thing. Okay, so let's discuss this. You read here. A sentence that talks about an action which happened in the past is said to be in the simple past tense, right? I already told you what, a sentence that talks about an action which happened in the past. The action which happened in the past, that we will say by simple past tense. You see some examples is given here. Okay, father opened the window to let the birds out. So open. They sailed all the way to Maldives last month. Sailed. Right? So it already happened. Window is already opened by his or her father, right? So you can identify here that, what you can identify, that this action is already happened, so we wrote in a simple past tense. Okay, so how you can write a simple past tense? That verb we will write in the simple past form, that is second form of the verb we will write. That is the only thing we will do here. Let me show you further. The simple past tense uses the past form of the verb. I already told you what we will use, past form of the verb. Different verb from the past tense is different ways. Okay. So here go to page 32 and 33 and revise all the rules. So that we have already seen while we discuss regular and irregular verbs, That time we have seen how to form simple past form of the verb. Simple past tense form of the verb that we have already seen. Okay, so go in that chapter and revise it if you forgot the rules. Okay, so let's discuss some exercise of it. We will write with D, and there is some irregular verbs are there. So with that, what happens that verbs base form and second form will be totally different, right? So those rules we have already seen. So revise it, okay, while discussing this chapter, while reading this chapter further. Once you revise that part, okay. So let's see some exercise here. What we need to do in this exercise? First we will read. Fill in the blank with the verb from the box. One has been done for you. What we need to do? We need to fill in this blank. Okay, first. From where? From the verbs given in the box. So here in the box, verbs are given. Struck, knocked, saved, dressed, worn, and ordered. Okay, so all these words are given in the second form of the verb. Correct? All of these are given in a second form of the verb. So you see the first one, the referee, blank space. Forgot that answer is given. Okay. The players to remain calm. So what referee can say to players? Obviously, if you are like we are sitting in a class, and what I will tell you for remain calm, that I will order you, right? So ordered. The referee ordered the player to remain calm. Prakash blank space a silver medal in the 100-meter race. So when you will get a silver medal, when you will win, right? So won is the correct form of the win. Second form of the win, that is a won. So Prakash won a silver medal in the 100-meter race. That will be the answer. So we have used won and order. Now Sanjay blank space up as a batsman for the fantasy dress competition. So dress, if you are going on fantasy dress competition, so obviously you have to wear the dress. So dressed is the correct answer. Sanjay dressed up as a batsman for the fancy dress competition. You can see fourth one, the clock, blank space 12 as we cross the tall. Struck, right? Struck is the correct answer here. Then he blank space on the door twice. So what you can do twice in order? You can knock it, right? So second form of the verb, that is a simple past form of the verb knock, that is a knocked. So he knocked, that also we have, and the last remaining word is a saved. Chetan blank space is pocket money to buy medicine for the poor. So what you can do, if you want to purchase a medicine, so you should have a money. So what you can do with the money, you can save that money, right? So Chetan saved his pocket money to buy medicine for the poor, right? So whichever word is appropriate for the blank space, you need to fill it. Okay, so this way we can, what is written here, all the verbs you see, all are in a simple past tense form, right? That is the second form of the verb. In that form only it is written. Okay, so let's see further exercise, that is a B. What we need to do here, that fill in the blank with the simple past tense. So blank space is given, we just need to fill in the blank with simple past tense. So first you see I blank space unwell last week, so B. So B verb simple past is the was. So I was unwell last week. Then second one, B blank space attended a concert last Saturday. So attend is there. So attend second form of the verb is that we will write with ed. So attended, that is the answer. Ankita blank space buy this dress when she was in Italy. So buy. What is the simple past form of the buy? That is a bought. So Ankita bought this dress when she was in Italy. So bought is the correct answer. Similarly, fourth you see New Delhi blank space host the 2010 Commonwealth Games. So host. What is the second form, or you can say simple past tense form of that host, that is a hosted. So that is the answer. And fifth one, you see, we blank space for 45 minutes for our bus yesterday. So 45 minutes, sorry, wait is the verb. Okay, so our wait is the verb. So what is the second form of the wait? That is a waited. So we waited, that is the answer. And the last one is the doctor check the patient pulse. So check, what is the second form of the check? That is checked. We will write with ed. So checked is the correct answer. The doctor checked the patient pulse. So we just wrote here second form or simple past form of the verb. Okay, let's see further exercise. That is the C. What we need to do, that we need to rewrite the sentence. Rewrite the sentence using the simple past tense. With the help of simple past tense, we need to rewrite it. So how we will rewrite it? You see first one, Mukesh works at a cafe after his college hours. So what is the verb which shows the action? That is work, right? Work is showing the action. So work. So if we want to make a simple past tense, we need to write verb work in the simple past form or second form of the verb. Okay. So what is the second form of work? That is worked. Right? Worked will be the second form. You should remember all these second form and third form. So Mukesh worked at cafe after his college hours. So only we have changed the verb work in the place of works. In the place of works, we wrote only worked. Right? We just change the verb. We just wrote the verb in the second form. That only we have done. Remaining all part we wrote same. So in this task, whenever we creating simple past tense, what we need to do? We just need to write verb in a second form or simple past tense form. That is the only thing is here. Okay. You can see second one, that Mr. Sharma teaches us English. So teaches, that is the action is going. So what is the second form of the teaches? That is a taught. So Mrs. Sharma taught us English. Right? It is very easy. Third one, you see, Anjali writes a letter to her grandmother. So writes is the verb, right? And what is the second form of write or a simple past tense of write? That is a wrote. So Anjali wrote a letter to her grandmother, right? So you can see it is very easy, not at all difficult, right? You can see further fourth one. So in the fourth one, you see Priya works with animal welfare organization. So works, that is the work. So works second form, that is the work. So Priya worked with an animal welfare organization. So we have wrote the same thing. We compose a song for our cousin's wedding. So compose, that is the verb. Compose, that is the verb. So we the compose second form is composed. We will write just a D because it is ending with a E. This rule we have seen. So we composed a song for our cousin's wedding. Right? Only what we have done? We have changed only the verb. Sorry, here. Right? We have just wrote our verb in the second form of the main verb. Right? You can see sixth one. Anil parents praise him for winning the painting competition. So here praise. What is the simple past form of the praise? That is a praised. We will write with a D, right? Because ending with a E and here consonant is there. So we will write simply D. So praised. That is the second one, right? So this way we have created. So Anil's parents praised him for winning the painting competition, right? So you notice here in all the tasks we have just done one thing, that we have wrote our verb in the simple past tense form. That is the second form of the verb. That only we have done here. That is the only thing in this chapter. Okay. So here we have finished our unit 13 and 14, present continuous tense and simple past tense. Okay, so what you need to do here, that you need to write down all the exercise in your notebook and you need to write down in your textbook, and notebook is compulsory because when school will start you have to submit it. Okay, so you need to write down all the exercise in your notebook, and also I will upload in our homework portal this homework. Okay, we will discuss further chapter in the next class. Thank you.